Hi, we're back for another bug of the month. And this month we have selected the velvet ant, which is often referred to as the cow killer ant. But it's not a cow killer, it's not even an ant. It is actually a wingless wasp that's very common in Oklahoma if you're looking down at the ground. You'll find them in pastures, you can find them in your yard. They're red and black and very fuzzy and very fast. They're not able to kill your cows, and they're not going to kill people. It is one of the most painful stings that we have in the world, but luckily it's pretty short-lived. And keep your eyes out for one, maybe in your yard this season.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.